Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have some friend mail I'm going to share with you, and Camille is right here, and she's chewing on everything and knocking everything around. So I'm going to start with something I got from Kim. Kim is hanging out with Kim. She has a channel, and if anybody has a channel, I'll mention. I have 4 friend mails and 3 have channels. I blacked out our addresses with this cute little thing I got from Temu a while ago. You see, it's a little roller, and it just, if you don't have access to a shredder, it's great. But I wanted to show you this gorgeous sticker that Kim sent me. Isn't that beautiful? So anyway, we are doing Mask Monday together with Tea Time Adventures. So she sent me this mask. This is what we're going to do on Monday. It is Slow Down Skin from the Creme Shop. It's an animated sloth face mask. So I'm excited to do that with Kim and T. And of course, we'll have a little giveaway. And she did send a card. So let's see. It's a Hallmark. It's a Hallmark. So this is very pretty. Look how pretty that is. Oh, look at the shiny flowers on it. I love it. Beautiful, Kim. It says, Mary, here is a sheet mask for our future collab with T. Thank you for being an amazing friend. I love you, Kim. Oh, I love you too, Kim. Thank you for being an amazing friend. And she made me her beautiful rose. So thank you, Kim. So y'all look for that on Monday. We will be doing that with a, like I said, with a little giveaway. And then I got a card from Janet. Janet is in Hawaii. And she's got some cute little stickers on the back. And this is washi tape, y'all. Cute as that. How cute. Now, her address is on here. My P.O. box is on here. But these beautiful stamps I want to show you. Hawaii's in a crisis right now. Anything that you can do to help, anything that we can do to help. These stamps are forever stamps, and they, you can see it says Lunar New Year. They're really cool, like masks, okay? So this, look at how cool this is too. It's stamped Honolulu. So thank you, Janet. Now, Janet is the sweetest subscriber. She comments all the time. And we talk back and forth, and she sends me gifts, and I haven't even sent her a thank you card yet, and she sent me a card. Oh my goodness, I don't mean to be this, I don't mean to be so far behind, y'all, but I am so far behind. So, all right, there's the card. Is gorgeous. Oh my, look at that. Mahalo. Y'all, this is 3-dimensional here. There's a beautiful turtle, and then the waves. There's something inside. On the back, it says, Aloha is reaching for someone's hand and touching their heart at the same time. Aloha. Greetings from the heart of Hawaii. Designed in Hawaii. Island Heritage is the brand. That is beautiful. How beautiful. All the way from Hawaii, y'all. I don't know that I'll ever get there. So it's just so wonderful to have a friend there. And there's little diamonds on there. I love that, Janet. Thank you. Let's see. There's something falling out from the inside. It says personal on it. Okay. All right, so it says, your warmth and kindness keep me going. Oh, thank you, Janet. Aloha plenty, Janet. Janet tells me some Hawaiian words from time to time, like mahalo. It says, thank you for brightening my day, and she has beautiful stickers inside. Look how pretty that is, y'all. And this beautiful flower pot, vase of flowers, and the butterflies. Thank you, Janet. That's beautiful. And she wrote me a personal note. It says personal, so I'm not going to share it. So thank you, Janet. I will read that when I'm done filming this. And like I said, Janet is just a sweetheart. She is from the States. She's lived several places in the United States. And a few years back, she retired to Hawaii. So she and her husband live there. And they're not near the fire. But, Hawaii, even though it has several different islands, there's still a very tight-knit community. So it affects her. It affects her family, and it affects her husband's family, and it affects her friends and things. So, and it affects their economy, and they're part of the United States. We need to be really concerned about them and pray for them. And now I will go on to packages that I got. I got 2 packages. This first one, I wasn't sure how to open this because it's sealed really well. So I did figure it was easy to open. So I opened it already. This is from Char. Her channel is Char's Fashion Nation. Anybody that has a channel, I'll put below so you can find them, okay? And Char told me she was making me something. And Char sews, and she's a brilliant seamstress, I believe is the right way to say it. And she does some unboxings, and she does some get ready with me's, and she does some spooky kind of things too. So she does some cooking. I love when her, especially that's one of my favorite things that she does is her cooking. She'll make wonderful things in the air fryer. And I mean things like, you know, restaurant. I'm like, I want to come by and eat some of that. So she lives way up north, so I can't really do that, but I'd like to. She told me she was making me something. So let's take this out. Oops, I hit Camille in the head. Sorry, Camille. She sent me, it says, Mary, I'm glad we are friends that blend well together in a mix of fun. Aw, your friend Char. Thank you, Char. That's so sweet. It's true. You know, Char is sort of from a different area because she does sewing, and but we found each other, and I really like her. She's a delight, and she's very knowledgeable, and she has worked for the government. She knows a lot of stuff, and she sent me this. So let's see. I know what it is because she told me, except I don't know exactly what it is. Do you know what I mean? Oh, it's a beautiful animal print. I believe it's a tank top. Oh, and see, she's a seamstress. So let me move back. You know, when I move back, my chair makes so much noise, y'all. Try not to. Okay. Let's see. Now oh, it's pretty. Oh, I love it. Now, I'm not a tank top person that'll wear this, you know, bare arms, but I can wear this under so many things. I have kimonos. I have, you know, other things that I can wear it under. Okay, it's, this is the back here. She's got a little mark that shows that's the back. So this is very silky material, and she has stitched it all, and she makes clothes for different people, and this is it. So I will definitely be showing that on a future video. I'll, you know, wear it and let you know it's from Char. Thank you, Char. I just think like that, it's so personable. I mean, I could never do that. I took sewing in high school. You know, back when I went to high school, a long time ago, they had home ec. And we had different things we could take. You could take typing, which I did not want to take, and sewing. I can't remember what else, but I took sewing. And I did make a few things. I can make an apron, that, you know, but I had to make a skirt. Well, I had to make a piece of something that fit on my body, and I found it so difficult to follow the pattern and get it to fit me. So when I made the skirt, it was like way out here, and then I had to, you know, keep trimming it down. And I was a kid that got A's, and in sewing I didn't get an A. I think I did all right by the end, but my aprons are real cute. And an apron is, what we made was you take a yard of fabric and cut it in half. And then that half became your apron. It was just the apron that went around the waist. And then the other half you broke up into pieces to make you pockets and to make you the band. And it was a lot of fun to make them. And I made several as gifts, you know, like for my mom, you know, and stuff like that. And then I have another package here, and this is from Jean Louise. Now, Jean Louise has a channel, but she doesn't post very often. She just gets very busy in her life, and she'll say she wants to post, and then she gets busy, and then sometimes she posts. She posted not too long ago, but she's very, very busy. So we don't see her very often, but when we do, it's a pleasure. So I did cut it open. She just told me this was coming the day that it got here. So I have no idea what it is, and let's see what's in there. It looks like, she said it's just some stuff. So, oops. Let me get everything out, and we'll put that over there. And there is a card, so let's start with the card. Oh, how cute. It says Mary. And these cute coffee, oh, that's so cute. Coffee stickers, aren't they cute? And the other side has a pretty sticker as well. And now I'm in a little group with Kim from Hanging Out with Kim and Jean Louise and Patty from Patty's Place. The four of us talk each day. Oh, look how cute that is. Besties. That card is from Avanti. I love to look where cards are from. This is made in the USA in Detroit. And it says, Mary, just a few things for you. Some we talked about and others just thought of you. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. I am so blessed to have you in my life. Love you, Jean. Thank you, Jean. I love you too. I love you too. Jean is very special. She works very, very hard. and she has the most fabulous laugh. I'm sure everybody is, she's the laugh of YouTube. She has the best laugh ever. And she sent these beautiful stickers. Beautiful, beautiful. And thank you so much, Gina. I love you. I love you. She's a bestie. She's one of my besties on YouTube. And she sent me a bunch of things. Okay, I'm not really sure where to start. So let's see. Okay, I think we did talk about this. This is funny because I think she got this. A bunch of us got Glossy Box, you know, sales. I think those are still going on. I haven't checked in a while. But until they sell out, I think they're still going to go on. So, you know, they had some of the boxes were $7. They had some more expensive boxes. They had the advent calendar. They had a bunch of things. This is a dry shampoo that I like. And it's a nice trial size. It's great for carrying in your purse, carrying in your bag. In fact, I have one at work because I've gotten a few of them myself. So this is the Authentic Beauty Concept Dry Shampoo. It's a texture dry shampoo, and I really like it. It works well, and you know, you can see it's like half the size of a regular dry shampoo, but like I said, perfect for travel. So this is the kind of thing that you cannot take on the plane. I think you can't take aerosols on the plane, but I can put it in my luggage, I think. And you know, it can go in the plane, but just not, well, I don't know. I'll have to look into that again because I always forget from time to time that I hardly travel. So, but when I do, I forget and I have to re-look at everything. And then she sent me a magnet. She went on a little trip with her girlfriends. She has these girlfriends that are her cookie girls, she calls them. And they've been friends forever. And they do little things, not little things, but they do nice get-togethers throughout the year. And at Christmas time, they make cookies. So she sent me, they went to Cape Cod together and spent like 3 or 4 days it was. I think they rented a house and everything. Very nice. So she sent me a Cape Cod magnet. I love that, Jean. Lobster. Haven't had lobster in a while. Yummy. I love that. Thank you, Jean. I love it. I've been to Cape Cod for about a second when I was a kid. It's a long story. I won't go into it right now. Ooh, she sent me some brushes. Okay, hang on. These are LaRousse brushes. So there are 3 of them. They're all, here, let me show them to you. They're all eye brushes. Let me see. LaRousse brush, let's take this one out and I'll show you. LaRousse brushes are just so nice. They have this textured handle, so they feel really good in your hand. And, you know, they are marked as to what they are. And they're just a great brush. Great brush. All right, there's, I don't know what she's chewing on, but always something, y'all. Always something. Let me put that back in the bag so I don't lose it. Camille, there's something here for you. She sent some treats for the cats. Oh, these are cute. They're going to really like these. Let me show them to you and then I'll read what it says. There's 3 of them, 1 for each. Doesn't mean it'll stay that way. You know how that goes. Spot colored burlap. Spot is a brand. Colored burlap mice. Catnip cat toys. These are super cute. Look at that, Camille. These are super cute. So they're a burlap fabric. So these are going to last a little while. And they have this fabulous, I think you call that sisal, right? The tails. So they will like, this is how Blue will walk around the house with them. Thank you so much, Jean. The cats will be so happy. I'm going to cut off the tags. Here's, you can play with that until I get it cut up. And then she sent me this cute notepad. I love that, Jean. I love notes. I love paper. Jean and I have that in common. We love stationery. I know a lot of y'all do. Love stationery. So this is, take the open it up right quick to show you. Whoops. Hang on. It has this beautiful little pad. Look how pretty that is, y'all. That's beautiful. Fancy. Put that right in my pen bin here. And then it is a notepad, which I adore. I write 1,000 notes. Don't y'all? And this is it. It says notes on the top and it has, oh, it goes this way. Oh, that's interesting. It has kitties on it. I love that, Jean. I'm taking that right to work because I will use that every day at work. Love it. Thank you. And then she sent me a package of masks. So let's see what those are. This is so much fun. Thank you, Jean. Thank you to all the ladies that sent me friend mail. It's fun. It's fun to get friend mail. And, you know, you don't have to send me anything, y'all. Honestly, I know that we all say that, and we all mean it. We get a lot of stuff. But, you know, a card, if you want to send a card, is nice. I try to reciprocate, and sometimes it takes me a while, though. But I usually always, I mean, I shouldn't say I try. I always end up reciprocating. But sometimes it takes me a while. Okay. Oh, okay. So Jean had a few extra masks. She clipped that together. It says, I sent these masks to Kim too. Maybe you can collab. Okay, and we might just do that. We actually have a collab coming on Monday. So this, oh, I love this one. I've had this before. This is the Creme Shop Rainbow Mask. This does all kinds of things. It's really cute. It has hearts and stuff on, rainbow and stuff. It's a lot of fun. And I remember it being very nurturing. Very moisturizing. Really liked it. Oh, this one is for fall. We'll have to do this in the fall for sure. PSL, Printed Essence Sheet Mask. Isn't that PSL is Pumpkin Spice Latte? And that's what's on there from the Creme Shop also. And then the Triple Peptide Face Mask from the Creme Shop. This is a good one too. This is a collagen mask. Thank you, Jean. I love these. Thank you so much. Y'all are so good to me. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Camille is chewing on something. What do you got? Oh, she's got the ribbon. That's okay. It's okay to have the ribbon. Okay, pardon me. Hang on a minute. Well, I guess you can have that ribbon. Just behave. Behave is not something she knows. Thank you so much to Kim from Hanging Out with Kim. I'll put her below. We will be doing that mask on Mask Monday, which is tomorrow. And thank you to Janet for, I will read that note very shortly, Janet. And thank you for the beautiful card. I love that card. I'm going to put that on my refrigerator. And Char, I can't wait to try this on. It's beautiful. And like I said, I can wear this with lots and lots of things. And Janet, hey, hey, hey. Jean Louise, hey, hey, hey. Y'all, I love the magnet. I love putting magnets on my fridge. Love it. I love the notepad. I'm already using the notepad. I just wrote some notes on there. The notepad and that beautiful, look at that pen, y'all. I'm going to try that. I didn't try the pen yet. All right, Camille. She's got that ribbon, so she can play with it. It's not going to hurt her. And the beautiful sheet mask, so maybe Kim and I can get together, and the brushes and everything. I will use this right away. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed. And I will get this ready for the cats to play with, y'all. Thank you so much, ladies. I love y'all so much. And, y'all, I want to tell you, if you are a subscriber of mine, like I said, you don't have to send me anything. I just love that you're here. It's so important to me that y'all are here. These ladies are here, and it means so much to me. They're all my friends, and I love every one of them, and I love y'all too. I don't have any family here where I live, and this connects me with people, and I love it. Oh, and I forgot to show you. This was my new Cat Lady shirt. It is totally cats. So, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. If you haven't seen this video, I'll put it in the description. You can go see it. And thanks for stopping by, y'all. And count your blessings. Have a wonderful Sunday. And I will see you all hopefully tomorrow on my Mask Monday with my collab with Hanging Out with Kim and Tea Time Adventures. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.